Now, you've probably seen these simple little quotes all over the internet, and you probably wonder how people are using this to earn money online. Now, I'm going to share with you how you can copy and paste quotes. Just copy them, paste them, and simply earn a good $250 just by doing this. So if you set this up correctly, you can make some pretty good money. So if you know how to make your quotes, that's even better. But if you don't know how to do it, I'm going to share with you how you could do this also. And you've probably seen some of these different things that on Instagram, such as example, this guy is crushing it just by creating this, and he's just using a simple little tool to create this. So I'm going to share with you how you can make these Twitter posts as well to make some money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And if this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on the bell notifications. Every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So let's jump into the video right away. So these quotes, as you can see, many people use this and they use it to the best of their advantage and they make money. Likewise, some of these that you see on Instagram, you see them on Facebook, and people just consistently share these things. Now, I'm going to show you how you can put together these quotes and how you can even make more money just by doing that. So, the first thing we want to do is, if you don't know where to find quotes and you have no idea where to go, the first thing you want to do is you can head on over to Google. So just go to google.com, and all you have to do is just you can type in positive quotes, you could type in motivational quote, you could type in quotes for women, you can do quotes about life and quotes in English. So let's say you want to tap into a niche and you're going to go straight into the women and you want to focus only on women or men or whatever it is. This is just an example. So stay with me here. So you have these, as you can see, sometimes, let me just click on it. You see all the different choices. Sometimes the bravest and the most important thing you can do is just show up. And this is by Brené Brown. So it's a female that put this together. Of course, you have Oprah over here. So that's why it's positive quotes for women. Now, I'm going to show you how you can create these ones. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that you sign up for Twitter. So go straight to Twitter, sign up for a Twitter account. It is absolutely free. And once you sign up for a Twitter account, now it's time for you to start posting, right? So the first thing we want to do is, you don't need any followers on this. You don't need anything. So if you don't know how to put together your quotes and you want to head on over to Google, once you go to Google and you search for different quotes, for example, I just pop up this one right here and it says, "The purpose of our life is to be happy" by Dalai Lama. Now, here's the thing. If you're going to use someone else's quote, at least put their name in it so you don't have any form of copywriting infringement and all those things. That's totally cool. So once you give rights to the owner, that's even okay. Now, right down here as well, life happens when you're busy making other plans. Make sure that you put someone else, make sure you put their name on it. You can even go on Google and you could type in, royalty-free quotes that you can use. So there it is. You could do copyright-free inspirational quotes. So for those of you who are afraid of copyright infringement and all those things, yeah, you could go and type in copyright-free inspirational quotes, and you could take these. So what that means, you could take this and you could put it on whatever that you want, and you can make money just by doing this. Perfect example. It's all in how you all do things, right? Describe what you want, all these different quotes that you share here. So I'm going to share this one. So I'm going to copy this one. And this says, "The less you care, the happier you will be." So what I'll do, I'll just go over to good old Twitter. So I'll go to Twitter and then I'm going to tweet. I'm going to tweet a post. And I'm going to copy this exact quote, and I'm going to paste it. So I can just copy this entire thing. The less you care, the happier it will be. So I'll do this. Less you care, and I'll make this a little bigger, happier you will be. So I'll do that. Now, once you do this, all you have to do is just click on the post right here where it says tweet. Now, once it tweets, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to screenshot this right here. So I'm going to screenshot this entire thing. Screenshot it. So once I screenshot it, I'm going to go to my favorite app, which I use to design everything. And if you're not using this app, you're missing out a whole lot. So I head on over to Canva. And because I'm over to Canva, I can create anything on Canva. I can go to all designs. I can share. I can brand. I can create a team. I can do folders, social media, video, print, and all that. And it is free. You could sign up for absolutely free. So I'll click on right over here where it says create a design. I click on it. Once I click on create a design, there's going to be different ones that's going to pop up. So for this particular one, I'm going to be choosing Instagram. So I'm going to click on it because I want to create these Instagram posts, these Instagram quotes, and I'm going to share with you what you need to do. So stay with me here. Now, once I do that, I just screenshotted. So I just screenshot the thing that I want to use. So I'll click on here and I would upload the media. So if I click on upload media, I want to go here to device. And then once I click on device, I'm going to find that screenshot that I just took. So it's right here. So I'll just click on upload. Once it's upload right here, the next thing that I want to do, I want to click on it and it's going to appear right over here. So as you can see. Now if I want to make this a little bit bigger, all I have to do is just use the edges just like that and open it up a bit. Make sure you stay with me here because I'm going to show you how you're going to make money with this. So I'm showing you the entire process step by step, how you can copy and paste quotes and earn money online. So I'm going to stretch it out for a bit. It all depends how big do you want it. Now you want to make sure that it's all centered by moving it around. And there we go. So it's centered. So you see the 4 line, that means it's centered. So there it is. It's created, but I wanna add a little bit of flavor to it. I want to jazz it up a bit. So for me, if I want to just pick a color, I could go like that. I could pick orange. I could go with purple. I could go with deeper purple. I could go with this color, right? Because I don't want it to be flat. I like to stand out a little bit. So let's go with green. Green for the money, right? Green for the money. Now what I will do right here, I would just download this and copy this. So I would copy this, and once I copy it, so if you know how to create your own quotes, create a Twitter account. Once you create that Twitter account, as soon as you create a Twitter account, just start making these quotes, screenshot it, take it to Canva, upload it on Canva, and then you do that. So that is what you're going to do. Stay with me here. After you do that, now you can create an Instagram account if you want. So if you want to create an Instagram account and start posting from scratch, you could do that. But that's not what I'm going to share with you in this video. So if you want to create an Instagram account and build that account up and put your quotes on it and then put your affiliate link in the description, you could do that. But that's not what we're going to be doing. Now, once you do that and you download it, after you download this picture, I'm going to put it right here and make sure this is good. Now, how we're going to be able to make money using simple quotes, just copy and paste. So we want to head on over to this website, just like how you see on here. This is what we call gearbubble.com. So you could go to Gearbubble. This right here, as you can see, for my wife, I just want to touch your butt. That's so funny, right? These are the different quotes that you could put up for my daughter. And you don't need to come up with all these different things because guess what? When you go to Gearbubble and you go to gearbubble.com, these quotes, you can launch your own e-commerce brand. So when you launch your own e-commerce brand, you could click on here or you could click on launch product. You could sell on different marketplaces such as Amazon, there's eBay, there's Etsy. So if you want to go and post on Instagram, you could do that. But when you do this, you're getting more traffic. You're going to get more customers inside of your business because you got a ton of people coming from Amazon. And who are selling, who do you know right now is selling these branded stuff? I don't know if anybody. What you could do, you could brand this and you could put them on the cups. You can either put your own quotes on it, you can make some funny stuff, or you could go to the royalty-free location and then you're going to sign up. Once you do that, then you could see the different categories. So there's categories, you could do animals, you could do family, you could do holidays, you could do veterans, all these different things. There's new releases as well. So let's say you want to go with, the family. You want to go to family, you want to get creative, and then you want to create this. So here's the thing with Gear Bubble, right? And the beauty about Gear Bubble is once you set it up, right, you're going to have people going on your store to buy these products. So the only thing that you have to do is create it. Once you create it, you're going to be good to go. So right over here, let's say you want to set it up on Amazon. You set it up on Amazon, you can watch that video and it's going to give you a rundown. These are some of the plans that you could do just to get started. And once you get started, this is what it looks like, how it works. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to create the brand. Once you create the brand, you're going to upload the brand. Once you upload the brand, you're going to then set up the product on Amazon, and then you're going to go straight to the Amazon thing. You track your sales on Amazon, and it goes in a circle just like that. So you're not the one that's out there making these products. You're just creating design, you're uploading it, and once you upload it, they will take care of the rest. So this right here is a good investment because let's say you tried for an entire month. Try it for 1 month. See if it works out. See if it's something that you want to do. Consistently create these things because once you put them on Twitter, and after you put them on Twitter, you're going to put them over here on Canva. And when you put them on Canva, all you got to do is just post it. So these are simple little quotes that you can just put up, and let's say you start making sales because you could put these same designs on cups, you could put them on t-shirts, you could put them on anything that you want. So if you do this consistently and you put it out there, you can make money doing this. So I hope this video helped. I hope you go sign up right now. Make sure you go sign up. Make sure you get started. If you're looking for my #1 way of making money online, don't forget to check out the first link in the description and I'll send it over to you. My name is Andre. I appreciate you. Have a fantastic day.